I was asked about this on the chalkboard a couple times in the comments, and if I had a clip. I don't know if I have a clip for it, but I can break down so you know what I'm talking about. Brown right, F short, two jet, flanker drive. We'll go over what that means, okay? But first, let's put the O-line up here, and then I'll start erasing some things so you can understand. Let me make sure I'm in the video. Yep, okay. Brown, this is a West Coast play. This is in regular or base, meaning two wide receivers. We got a fullback, a running back, and a tight end. When they say Brown right, that's going to give us our formation. It's going to put the tight end, who is the Y, to our right. And we're in base, so the X on one side, Z on the other. Does that make sense? Now let me erase it, and I'll try to give you an example of I'll try to remember and keep saying it. Brown right, F short, two jet, flanker drive. Brown right, we got our formation. Wait, first we need quarterback. The fullback is directly behind, the running back is here. So this is the fullback. This is the running back, okay? And I've seen it flipped, depending on who you have. You got Larry Centers there or Mike Allstott. You can switch that. Okay, so Brown right, we got that. F short means our Z here can be called an F. Flanker, some offense is going to run a motion and get next to the Y tight end. And he's going to run a shallow cross, okay? I'm going to put a little line here in case it's zone coverage. We may sit down if it's zone coverage. And two jet is the next one. So F short, Brown right formation. F short, we're telling the Z to come over in motion. And then the F short doesn't mean he's going to run a shallow cross, but the flanker drive does. Let's do that first. Flanker drive. Outside release for a tight end, maybe cause a pick here, and then an in route at 10 to 12 yards. The pick is important for the tight end to know. He could have potentially knocked that corner off in man coverage and give this the shallow cross wide open. First read anyways. This is one, this is two for the quarterback. All right, and then the X, he's not in the play call, but the X, I would have an alert here. Let's run a go ball. If it's Mitch Tinsley in the red zone, bang. If it's A.J. Green, you want to come up and press him. If it's Jamar Chase, we're throwing it, right? We may take that shot. So we've got that alert there built in. Then we have the two jet. The two jet protection is a West Coast common pickup. It means the O-line is going to block to the weak side. So if we have our Will, our Mike, and our Sam, it means the O-line is going to block towards the weak side, which means the fullback is going to pick up either the middle linebacker or the Sam. So you're going to probably put a line like that and like that. It could be outside, but you're going to give them two guys to pick up. It's either Mike or Sam, because if the Sam covers the tight end, then the fullback's responsible for the potential of the Mike coming. If the Mike comes, then the Sam is cut the other way around. If the Sam is blitzing, say they send the Sam on a blitz, the fullback's got to pick him up, because that means the Mike is probably going to pick up the tight end. If it's a zone coverage, if it's a blitz, we've got a hot built in with the running back. He's just going to flare out to the flats there. So that's our hot built in, especially if it's man also. So say the Sam is covering the tight end. Now the middle linebacker's got to come over and get the running back, or the strong safety's got to come over and get the running back. You have that advantage in man. And if it's a blitz, again, still, we can get that running back flared out. It's an easy hot read. Or you can throw the go ball if you want to. But if it's zone also, and say we got to cover two, we got to sit down, either one of these guys sitting down in the middle of the field, putting that potential middle linebacker in conflict as he goes deep. Let's say it's a Tampa 2, and he's got to cover the runner to the strong side. Well, then we can hit underneath when he sits down, the flanker, the Z sits down. So does that make sense? We got to answer for man, zone, and blitzing here. And plus we got an alert here, which I like if you've got a Mitch Tinsley from the 20-yard line going in.